Hello, friends. In India and the rest of the world, we have a lot of different conventional medical practices and complementary medical practices and whole system of medicine practices like Ayurveda, traditional Chinese medicine, and so many other specialities of medicines. I request all of you to be aware of any fake integrative medical doctors anywhere in the world. It is very tough and it is very challenging to find out the fake medical doctors or the fake integrative medical platforms, either online or offline, who are providing various services and they claim various magical cures and controls, or take this medicine from us, take this service from us, and you'll be recovered from all the diseases and so many so forth. So be very careful when you are choosing any medical doctors. Try to use the following tips for you to be in safe hands. You can take control over your medical expenses by following these tips. How to find out a legitimate medical practitioner? There are a few tips which are useful for you. First, you verify the credentials of that particular doctor or the person who is claiming the things. You can check the doctor's credentials, research, their educational background, their training, the certifications. Legitimate integrative medical doctors typically have completed all the medical programs and accredited training programs, and they could have received additional trainings in integrative medicine. Look for certifications for reputable organizations and confirm before you spend or trust these people. Second, you confirm the licensing authority. Ensure that the medical doctor holds a valid license to practice medicine in your country or region. You can typically verify their licensing status by contacting the appropriate medical board or regulatory body or the governing body. If any online service providers are also there, you can also confirm their credentials. Third one, you can find out research affiliates. Many people, either online or offline, claim to be evidence-based, claim to be research-based, claim to be clinically proven, so many so forth. Just check their affiliated research reputations from the reputable medical institutions, universities, or healthcare organizations. Genuine integrative medical doctors often have connection with established medical institutions and may be actively involved in research or teaching. Fourth tip is you check the patient reviews and testimonials. Look for reviews and testimonials from the patients who have visited that particular doctor or the online platform or the review website or a social media group or whatever you are approaching into. While individual opinions may vary, but the pattern of consistently negative reviews or complaints should be considered as a red flag. Fifth one is you evaluate the treatment approaches of this particular institution. Integrative medicine combines conventional and complementary therapies. Fake doctors may outrageously claim or offer treatments that lacks scientific evidences, could potentially be harmful, and majority of the times they are not evidence based or they are not research based, but still they claim to be. Be cautious of the doctors who promises miraculous cures or promotes unproven treatments without substantial research or clinical evidences. 6.1. You consult with other healthcare professionals, seek recommendations, opinions from trusted medical providers such as your primary care physician or any of the specialists. They may be able to prove and give you an insight to the legitimacy of this integrative medical doctor or the platform which you are referring to. 7th is you trust your instincts. Your instinct will tell you to go ahead or not to go ahead. Pay attention to your gut feeling when you are interacting with a doctor. If something feels not okay, if your doctor's recommendation seems to be too good to be true, it's important to proceed with caution. Trustworthy doctors will prioritize your well-being. They focus on evidence-based information. They focus on transparency. They focus on evidence-based or patient-centric approach. So be careful whenever you are approached by any of the online offline platforms with any of the integrative services which claimed to be miraculously curing something. Be careful, take care of your health, take care of yourself.